Nothing Tech is one of the most hyped technology companies of 2023, and it has gone some way toward justifying the clamor with its products. Nothing Phone 1 has proven to be a reliable mid-range option, and we were satisfied with the brand's wireless earbuds, the Ear 1 and Ear Stick. The Nothing Ear 1, the company's first ever product launched in 2021, is being replaced by the Nothing Ear 2, an upgraded in-ear wireless earbud that was launched by the Nothing brand recently. Here's everything you need to know about the Nothing Ear 2. On March 22, 2023, Nothing announced the global launch of the Ear 2 wireless buds. The Nothing Ear 2 and Ear 1 seem extremely similar, though the brand has made several changes. The popular stemmed bud shape made popular by AirPods has been retained, but pinch controls have replaced the touch ones on the Ear 1. A smaller charging case, a personal sound profile option to alter EQ, dual connectivity for playing from two devices connected, and improved clear voice technology to improve call quality are all new additions for Ear 2. You also can simultaneously connect the Nothing Ear 2 to two audio sources for the first time. It's convenient if you want to have both your laptop and phone connected at once and effortlessly switch between them for calls or video playback. These buds stand out from the competition thanks to their unique and simple design. The earbuds are exceptionally light, and they have a gorgeous, transparent surface that makes it possible to see inside the device. The charging case is likewise created with the same transparent finish, giving the entire set a unified and fashionable appearance. Yet when it comes to Nothing Ear 2, the sound quality is the true star of the show. Rich, crystal clear, and detailed sound is produced by the 11.6mm dynamic drivers in these earbuds. It's difficult to match the immersive listening experience that is provided by the bass, which is powerful without being overbearing, and the well-balanced mids and highs. Active noise cancellation is a must-have feature for any set of contemporary earbuds, and the Nothing Ear 2 provides it in spades. With the help of active noise cancellation technology, you can concentrate on your music, your work, or whatever you're doing without being distracted by outside noise. Yet, there are occasions when you want to be able to hear what is going on around you, which is why transparency mode is useful. You may switch from active noise cancellation to transparency mode, which makes use of the earbuds microphones to let in ambient sound, with only a push of a button. When you need to be aware of your surroundings, such as when you're strolling down the street or talking with someone, this is extremely helpful. The earbuds are IP54 rated, which means they are water and sweat resistant and also dust resistant. As a result, you can wear them when exercising or outside in the rain without worrying about them getting damaged. The Nothing Ear 2 earbuds come with a 33 mAh battery in each earpiece and a 485 mAh battery in the charging case. With ANC disabled, music playtime is extended up to 36 hours with the case and for up to 8 hours on a single, quick 10-minute charge. The earbuds feature reverse charging on compatible smartphones such as the Nothing Phone 1 and wireless charging up to 2.5 watts. They also make use of a USB Type-C cable. Then, to wrap things up with the availability of the Nothing X app, everything you require is right here. Turn on personalized noise cancellation that fits the contours of your ears, or allow Ear 2's adaptive mode to muffle the noise for you. Customize gesture controls and EQ settings. Personalize your sound profile. And use an ear tip fit test to achieve the ideal fit. My personal favorite features of the Nothing Ear 2 are uniqueness, stylish design, durability, and most important of all, battery life. With this, I wrap up my review of the Nothing Ear 2 earbuds. Don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my next video.